So I want to edit this photo from 1955. And the way I have to do that is I've got to get down and find all the little imperfections in it. So I'm going to drop down here, I'm going to hit the fill button, and it's going to fill the whole screen, but only partially with the photo. Then I need to move over to my heal function, which is on the right-hand side. It's that little Band-Aid. It opens up that window, and in that box you can determine the size of your heal function. You can expand the circle or make it smaller. And now I can go inside the photo and I can fix all of these little imperfections that you see all over the place. I've already done a couple of them. Once you've established the size of your circle in your window, you're going to drag it over to the spot that you want to heal. You're going to click on that spot. Then it's going to give you another area with another circle, and you can drag that circle over, find something that's complementary to it that will cover it and make it look good. Okay, so we fixed some imperfections in this one part of the screen, but we need to move this photo up and down to find the other imperfections that we want to fix. So how do we do that? Well, first of all, you got to turn off your heal function, and then you can put your cursor anywhere in the picture and you can pull it down with your mouse, or you can scroll it down or up with your mouse and move it to different areas. Like we want to do some up here. So what we've done is pulled it up, and as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and turn the healing function on, and I'm going to fix a couple imperfections here. All right, now to get down to the bottom of the picture, what we're going to do is we're going to turn off our healing brush, and then we can pull it like this. And now we can see all the different imperfections down here. And now we come back, we go into our healing brush. Here's one right here we want to get rid of. So that's the way that you can navigate up and down, left and right, once you've taken a photo and filled the screen with it, and you want to get to other areas of it, but have the photo expanded. So you just use your mouse to scroll up and down, or you can put the hand and squeeze the mouse and move it around, and that will take you to the different little areas on your photo, and you can navigate and find the imperfections and fix those itty bitty ones. And that's how you do it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use Lightroom, Photoshop, and other stuff. Peace out.